children.
Hello, curious explorers on the island of knowledge. Ants are some of the hardest working creatures on Earth. But did you know that these tireless insects never sleep the way we do? They also don't have lungs. How is it possible that they stay so active without needing sleep and breathe in a completely different way? I invite everyone to discover these amazing secrets of the ant world. In the Cave of Riddles, I met the toucan and the turtle. The toucan was convinced that ants do not sleep because they drink very strong coffee made from flower nectar. He explained that he saw ants lining up at flowers to drink an energy drink that gives them strength for the whole day. The turtle, on the other hand, believed that ants breathe through their antennae. He thought they wave them like fans to push air into their bodies, and the faster they wave, the faster they run. I explained to them that ants do not need coffee to stay active, and their antennae are for communication, not for breathing. Their amazing abilities come from a body structure that is very different from ours. In the thicket of ideas, I met the rhinoceros and the tiger. The rhinoceros shared that he needs to take long naps during the day to regain his strength. He noticed that ants never lie down to sleep, but just stop moving for a few minutes and then go back to work with new energy. The tiger added that when he runs fast, he has to breathe deeply so his muscles get enough oxygen. He was surprised to see that ants, even when carrying loads much heavier than themselves, never pant or show any sign of heavy breathing. I agreed with them that these are great examples showing how different the physiology of ants is from ours. Their rest and breathing work in a completely different way. On the explorer's path, I met the sloth and the armadillo. I decided to check what they knew and asked what they could tell me about tireless ants. The sloth slowly explained that ants don't fall into a long sleep, but have short rest periods that last only a few minutes and happen many times a day. The armadillo added that ants don't have lungs, and oxygen enters their bodies through small holes in their armor called spiracles. From these holes, a network of tiny tubes carries oxygen directly to all their cells. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that short naps and the system of tubes for oxygen are the keys to the ants' amazing endurance and hard work. Dear explorers, today we discovered two amazing secrets about ants. We learned that these little creatures do not need long sleep to rest, and for breathing, they use a complicated network of tubes instead of lungs. This shows how incredible and different the solutions created by nature can be. I hope that from now on, you will look at ants with even more admiration. See you on the next adventures on the Island of Knowledge.